Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the more common questions I'm asked is who's actually going to perform the hair transplant? Here at Natural Transplants, be reassured your doctor is actually going to be doing the procedure. From the beginning, where he draws out the hairline, to where he makes the incision, to where he actually sutures the skin back together, he makes all the sites, and then obviously we want to get that tissue back into the scalp in a timely manner where the technicians will go ahead and assist with placing the hair follicles back into the scalp. In many offices throughout the United States, there's plenty of doctors who say that they do hair transplants and they leave it up to a hired technician off the street to go ahead and perform the entire procedure. Be reassured, here at Natural Transplants, the doctors are performing the entire procedure. The technicians who are employed by Natural Transplants all have been working for Natural Transplants for more than 5 years, some even 10 years. I've been with Natural Transplants since June of 2016. I've had the same technician, senior technician, as part of my crew since 2016. I take part in every single procedure that I perform, and I guarantee that my procedures are performed by myself. If you have any questions, call us here at Natural Transplants. We do free consultations, and again, be reassured that you will have the doctor doing the hair transplant for you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.